Hey up everybody, I'm on the next part of my mechanical hacksaw that I'm making. So if you've not seen previous parts, you might have to catch up with them to get the gist of what I'm doing here. But in this part then I'm going to machine the hacksaw frame to accept the blade and the clamping mechanism for the blade, the crank pin and the connecting rod that connects the crank to the frame. So let's crack on with that then and see how far I can get. So that's a standard hacksaw blade and it measures, overall length is 310mm. So I've cut one in half at 155, which is going to fit this frame. I'm going to go in half the distance what the measurement is across the hexagon, and that measurement is 690 thousandths. So I'm going to go in 345, and then I'm going to come up the saw frame 7/8 of an inch. That will give me room then to get 2 screws either side with a plate across to clamp the blade. That's that side finished. While I've got this rear portion of the saw frame in, I'm going to cut the portion where the connecting rod's going to fit. So I've got to do it on both sides, just a flat to put the connecting rod onto, probably about halfway up the saw. So I'll probably just go down as far as where the hexagon starts on the flat on both sides. Right, I've got the connecting rod finished now. I've just got to do a bit of detail work on it just to clean it up and everything. And how I've made that is from 3/16 by 3/4 steel, mild steel, and then I've welded 2 lugs on the end where it connects to the saw. Sorry, I've not welded them on, I've brazed them on, and I've put a peg through it just to belt and brace it. I've also welded 2 bosses on the back side just to thicken the back up where the crank pin runs in, to give it a bit more bearing surface. I've put an oil hole in it just for a few drops of oil. So like I said, I've just got to clean that up now, and that's it on the full size drawing where it's going to fit. So we'll go and have a look at, see if it fits and what it fits like, and maybe once that's fitted I may be able to put power on and see if it's actually going to work and do what it should do.